I woke up all grumpy because it's raining. We're going to Kereita. We're here and it's drizzling. If I fall, we'll just pretend that it was part of the plan, you know? Hello and welcome to this week's video. Today we're going hiking. I'm excited. I'm taking you along with me. It's been a while since we've hiked in the rain, so quite interesting. Quite interested in the outcome. Yeah, wow, it's too early for me to be awake. Anyway, so we're going to Kereita Forest, so I don't even know what to say. We're just going to Kereita Forest, and yeah. So today when I woke up, I thought we would cancel. I really thought, because it was pouring, like it was raining. I think right now it's even when it's reduced. It was raining. But anyway, I should have known. The people I hike with, nothing can stop them. Nothing can stop them. Anyway, let's go before I rumble. I'm a bit more awake now. I've had some coffee and now I can function. So we're going to Kereita. I'm gonna take you along with me. I've been there once before. It's a beautiful trail. So yeah.
A great energy on both parties. The single death by their man in the election of votes.
There's certainly a big concern, I think, particularly when it comes to
Weather for two? We're here and it's drizzling, so it's gonna be an interesting hike today. Imagine I don't take them again. Fallen trees on the ground. Wow, I look like an egg. One of the reasons why I like hiking with my friends is because come rain or shine, they're gonna have an amazing time. Like, you can see the weather. People are having such a blast. So in turn, I am also having a good time. But yeah, shouldn't have let them get in front of me. Let me get back. I'm in a Saturdays with you. I need some clothes, head to the thrift shop or something. Feels like I'm at
course I don't mind. Round button lies like you Coraline. Oh, that's right. The movie play.
We're headed to the waterfalls now. But the issue is this place is very steep and slippery, so okay, it's not an issue, it's just like a thing to consider. I'm trying to see which way is better for me. At the same time trying also not to fall. If I fall, we'll just pretend that it was part of the plan, you know. But I'm having quite an amazing time. I thought that this morning when I woke up all grumpy because it's raining, I wouldn't enjoy myself, but here I am enjoying myself. But yeah, headed to, wow, there's even water flowing. I don't remember seeing this last time. Wow. There's a little stream over there. I don't know why I'm happy, and that's where we're going to cross. But yeah, in case you're ever hiking in the rain, this is the terrain that you're going to expect. So keep that in mind. I'm excited, but at the same time I'm like, oh my gosh, don't fall. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow.
Round button lies like you Coraline. Oh, that's right. The movie plays, and laughter floods the window pane. And I'm waiting for the scene when you come up next to me, and we see where the night goes on. It's Saturday, I feel a different kind of way. I'm gonna ride it till I die. I'm in a Saturdays with you. There's so many clouds in my room. Let the music play a while, even in the after hours. You looking hella cute. I'm in a Saturdays with you. I'm in a Saturdays with you.
I can't believe that I almost stayed home. Wow, what was I thinking? Because right now, I'm so happy. Like, I've been able to just do a lot of introspection. And what better place to do that than outside, where you're breathing fresh air, you're pushing your body just a bit. Yeah, just happy that I've been on a trail for the first time in a very long time. So glad. So we're on the way out now. This is actually, I would say, is a beginner-friendly trail in terms of the distance and the terrain to some extent. You just need to have proper shoes so that you're not constantly slipping and sliding, because it's quite muddy, and since it's rained, the branches are quite slippery. Of course the ground is slippery, but it's not a difficult trail. Yeah, I think I can also give you some tips and tricks when hiking in rainy weather. I truly hope that the sound of this is okay, but yeah, so let me not walk so fast. So tip number 1 when hiking with rainy weather is to make sure that your rain gear is always packed, because you never know when the rain will fall, and it's better to be prepared. Because like for example today, the whole way until the waterfall it was drizzling, so our rain gear came in clutch, so that you'll find when you take off the rain gear, the clothes underneath aren't as soaked. Yeah. Tip number 2 is just go at your own pace, especially if you're hiking in a group with different levels of hikers. There's no need to try keep up with experienced hikers when you're a beginner. Just go with your own pace and you'll be fine. You're still going to finish the hike, and you're still going to experience, you know, the same sights. So go at your own pace. Tip number 3 is you may find that you want to hold on to things, like to the I love it outside. I love it so much. Anyway, as I was saying, you may find that you want to grab onto trees and branches. Before you do, make sure that they don't have thorns. So that's one thing I learned the hard way. You'll grab onto a branch, kumbe, it is full of thorns, so be wary of that. And finally, just have fun. The reason that we even come out hiking or come out to explore the outdoors is to enjoy yourselves, to find some clarity, enjoy the nature sounds, and yeah, also have fun with your friends. If I tell you that all the people I hike with, I met when I started hiking. Like, I didn't know any of these people up until like 2020 when I started hiking. And look at us, almost 4 years later, still sharing the trails together. So if you feel like you don't have anyone to hike with, just go on your first hike and you'll find your people, is what I'll say. You'll find them, or they'll find you. Yeah.
You can take your time, caressing my body. What's on your mind? Don't tell nobody. Movies in your head, telling a story. Don't know how we got here, baby, I'm sorry. Maybe it's too quick, didn't need to tell no one. But baby, that's bullshit. You're my number one, and all you need to know that it's pure love. Baby, 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 it's pure love. This place is yours and mine. Baby, we could be alright in this paradise. In this paradise.
turns out all I needed was a hike.
By the way,